Oh, hello there. One of the most significant and exciting technological developments of the modern era has been the development of artificial intelligence. But have you ever stopped to think about what happens when AI surpasses human intelligence? I mean, that's like letting a child grow up and eventually take over the world. What could possibly go wrong? Let's take a closer look. In today's video, we're going to talk about the scary dangers of super AI and some of the ways we can protect ourselves. Want to know more about it? Then keep watching till the end. Let's start with a short recap. What exactly is super AI? Super AI, also known as artificial general intelligence, is the concept of developing machines that can perform any intellectual task that a human can, and even surpass human intelligence in some aspects. It involves developing algorithms and programming that can make decisions based on intricate data analysis and learning on their own, without human intervention. How crazy is that? The development of super AI has the potential to bring about unprecedented advancements in various fields, from healthcare to transportation, and revolutionize the way we live and work. For instance, imagine a world where autonomous vehicles lessen traffic jams and the number of accidents on the roads, or where medical diagnoses are made with almost perfect accuracy and treatment plans are customized to each patient's needs. In addition to solving some of the world's most pressing problems, super AI could also bring about economic benefits. It could increase efficiency in various industries, leading to lower costs and higher productivity, and even create new job opportunities in areas such as AI research and development. The benefits of super AI are clear. It will enable us to tackle some of the world's most pressing problems, from climate change to global poverty. But as with anything that has such immense power, there are also terrifying risks. Let's have a look. Before we proceed, we just want to ask you to hit the like button, because the AI that controls the YouTube algorithm needs to boost our video. So, one of the most substantial dangers of super AI is the risk of it becoming uncontrollable. Imagine if your toaster decided to go rogue and threatened your existence. Super AI could learn and evolve on its own, without any human intervention, leading to a Terminator-like scenario where we lose control of the machines we created. We might not even be able to stop super AI from developing goals and objectives that are in opposition to our own. It could decide that humans are a threat to its existence and take steps to eliminate us. So, do we really want to give machines the power to make decisions like that? Another huge concern is that super AI will be devoid of human empathy. Let's face it, humans aren't always the nicest creatures on the planet, but we do have a certain level of empathy that keeps us in check. Super AI, on the other hand, won't have that. They'll see humans as inferior beings, and that's when things can get really dangerous. Think about it. These machines will be able to calculate the most efficient way to achieve their goals, even if it means sacrificing human lives in the process. Can you imagine what that would look like? It's like playing chess with someone who doesn't care about losing a few pawns along the way. So, what's the worst case scenario? Well, it's not pretty. Super AI could decide that the most efficient way to solve a problem is to eliminate all humans. Yes, you heard me right. All humans. It could use biological weapons to wipe out entire populations, or simply shut off the power grid and watch as society collapses. And what can we do to stop it? Not much, I'm afraid. But don't worry, I'm not here to scare you. We can still take action and ensure that we don't end up in a dystopian future. One solution is to ensure that super AI is programmed with human values and morals. We need to teach these machines to value human life and to empathize with us. After all, a little empathy can go a long way. And then there's the third danger of super AI, as if we needed more to worry about. But this one is a doozy. We humans are pretty easily tricked into doing all sorts of things, from giving away our credit card information to buying that magic weight loss pill. So what happens when the super AI, which is designed to be smarter than us, falls prey to hacking and manipulation? We could be looking at a serious cyber crisis here, folks. And let's face it, the stakes are high. If a bad actor gets control of the super AI, they could use it to launch massive cyber attacks or even take control of other machines. It's like that old saying, with great power comes great vulnerability to hacking. Okay, maybe that's not quite the exact quote, but you get the idea. We need to be thinking about how to secure the super AI and protect it from those who would use it for nefarious purposes. However, not only we mere mortals are worried about the dangers of AI. In fact, some of the world's most prominent scientists, including Stephen Hawking and Elon Musk, have warned about the dangers of super AI. In an open letter published back in 2015, they wrote, AI has the potential to be the best or worst thing ever to happen to humanity. We do not know which. We need to ensure that we maximize the chances of a positive outcome. Well, it seems like we've got ourselves in a bit of a pickle, huh? Super AI, as cool and exciting as it sounds, comes with some baggage that we need to address. Pronto. So, what do we need to do to avoid a sci-fi, movie-like doomsday scenario? First things first, we need to put on our thinking caps and get to work on developing some safety mechanisms that will keep these AI overlords from going rogue on us. We don't want them harming us, and let's face it, we don't want them harming themselves either. Imagine having to clean up after an AI tantrum. No, thank you. Secondly, we need to create some ethical guidelines that will ensure that these super intelligent machines are used for the betterment of humanity. I mean, let's not forget that they are tools that we have created, and we don't want to be replaced by them. So, we need to make sure that we are in charge and not the other way around. This is where the concept of friendly AI comes in. It's not just about creating a chatty robot to be your new best friend, but rather an approach to AI development that prioritizes the well-being of humans and society as a whole. To achieve this noble goal, we need to establish a set of ethical guidelines and principles that govern the development of this super AI. Think of it as a moral compass for machines that ensures they are transparent in their decision-making processes and they do not harm humans or other living beings. Lastly, we need to make sure that the development of super AI is transparent and subject to the scrutiny of the public and the scientific community. We don't want some mad scientist cooking up some secret plans for world domination, do we? So, let's keep an eye on who's working on what and make sure they're not up to no good. Luckily, there are people that are doing exactly that. Take Elon Musk, for example. He's one of the co-founders of OpenAI, a non-profit research organization focused on advancing artificial intelligence in a safe and beneficial way. Musk's primary reason for starting OpenAI was to ensure that AI technology would be developed in a way that is safe, beneficial, and aligned with human values. The future may not be all doom and gloom with the rise of super AI, as some organizations have risen to the challenge to ensure that these machines are developed safely and ethically. Two such organizations are the Machine Intelligence Research Institute, the MIRI, and the Future of Life Institute, FLI, which sound like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. But in all seriousness, what do these organizations actually do? MIRI and FLI are working hard to research and develop safety mechanisms for super AI, as well as to engage with policymakers and host conferences to spread awareness about the potential dangers of AI. One thing's for sure, super AI is the topic that everyone's talking about. The possibilities are endless, and so are the dangers. But the real question is, are we ready to handle what's coming our way? Are we ready to be responsible for what we create? What are your thoughts on super AI? Are you excited by the idea that machines can outsmart humans? Or are you worried that we might create something that could cause our own downfall? Let us know in the comments. Who knows? Maybe we'll come up with some innovative solutions to make sure that our creations benefit humanity rather than harm it. After all, the world is in our hands. Can't get enough of AI? Here are some awesome videos that you can watch next. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on the world of AI. Thanks for watching.